LG 37LC2D 2006 model. This TV is like sometimes doesn't want to turn on, or when it's on, sometimes it's go off as well. So because the TV is old, it's a common the capacitors they go bad, and you can see this capacitor here. Guess that's the one is causing the problem. Yeah, it could be that's a 5-volt filter capacitor, because I can see here 5-volt. Or is a 12-volt. Yeah, could be this is a 12-volt filter capacitor, and this is the 5-volt filter capacitor, because this one is a 10-volt. This is 33 10-volt, and this one here 1000 microfarad 16-volt. So this is the 12-volt for the 12-volt line filter, and this one's here for the 5-volt filters. So we have the same, this one 1000 microfarad 16-volt, but I'm gonna go bigger a little bit. Is 1000 microfarad and 25-volt. That's better. So we go with this one here. Yeah, when you get a voltage a little bit higher than what the old capacitor is, that's more better. The capacitor doesn't like get hot quick as if it's low voltage. So for you, if you are the first time replacing the capacitor, there is a positive and negative side. You can't flip them. The negative side is here. You can see it marks as that black mark over there, and there is a positive symbol here. Be sure you don't touch this big capacitor from here, or you wait like 5-10 minutes before you start working on the board. Alright, we soldered that capacitor into place. The one is here. Let's test it. And here, the TV works.